welcome back to my YouTube channel. Lesleyanne here. If you're new to my channel, I do all types of video, mainly lifestyle videos on my channel. Sometimes I do a bit of beauty, I do unboxings, I do sometimes cooking, crafting, lots of other bits and pieces. Sometimes I do some try-ons, some beauty tutorials, not that I'm an expert at all, you know. But today I have a Birchbox for you. Now, I thought that my Birchbox was coming to an end because it was a present for me. So it was taken out as a present for Christmas for me, and I thought actually last month was the last one, but I received this one, so maybe not. So it was like a little bit of a bonus when this arrives. I didn't expect it. Okay, so it comes posted to you in a brown cardboard box like this. The Birchbox, I think, is about £12 or £13. I'm not sure because I didn't actually subscribe to this myself. So we seem to be really celebrating music. So this is what the actual box is like. So it looks very much like a videotape. There we go. So let's open the box. Okay. So it's dance to your own rhythm. There we go. Oh, something smells nice. Hello Birchboxers. Life isn't about moving to the beat of somebody else's drum. It's about being authentically you and never comparing yourself to others. With your music-inspired May Birchbox, we're encouraging you to find your unique beat. Turn up the volume and dance to your own rhythm. Keep an eye on your inbox and our social media to discover the toe-tapping surprises we've lined up for you. 3 full-size items in here. The very first one I'm going to pick up is a full size. The recommended retail price of this is £18 and it's by KNDR, Kinda, not quite sure, Kinda, probably Kinda, yeah. And it's an eyeshadow cream in Proud Pink. This pink-toned cream shadow, enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E, boasts a flexible, buildable formula with intense colour payoff. The crease-proof cream goes on smoothly and blends effortlessly with a brush or just with the tip of your finger. Okay, so let's get that one out first. So that should be £18 for this size. It has a faint sort of smell, but nothing that I could say to you, you know, coconut or anything like that. But that's what it looks like in the little pot. So, gosh, it's very pale. Okay, I'm going to pop some here on my arm for you. I mean, can you actually even see? It is so pale on me, it looks like more of a flipping lip gloss. And it's definitely an eyeshadow. I mean, that's on my finger, you can just sort of see it. Let me go to my hand. Here I'm a bit paler. Can you just sort of see it, can't you? There's not really a lot there. Let me pop some on my eyelids. Compare the 2 eyelids, sort of see it. You can see a slight difference. If anything, it's making my blue eyes pop a little bit more on that one eye. So let's pop it on the other eye. I mean, it's nice, it's pretty, it's very natural, because you wouldn't really even say I've got anything on, would you? Yeah, 18 quid for that. And the next one is a clear nourishing lip oil. This is not a full size, but the recommended retail price of the full size is £13. This lip oil adds moisture to your lips and actually locks in with a blend of aloe, coconut oil and shea butter. Apply to lips whenever they need an extra dose of hydration. Wow, that'd be good because I actually do need that actually right now. Okay, so this is by Arrow. That is what the little tube is like. I have lipstick on, but I'm just going to pop some on the top just so that we can see what it's like. Oh, so it comes with the shaped application, look, with the shaped applicator. It is just clear. You can see it there on my hand. Again, a nice smell, but not one I could recognise. It must be just a combination of all sorts. Some on. Now, they are calling it an oil. It does feel like an oil, but it feels more like a thicker oil, like an oil that may have something else in it just to thicken it up, because I have some lip oils and they are very, you know, just like an oil, a lot thinner. However, it's very pretty, isn't it? Like that one. So the third item is by Birchbox Accessories. It's a full size, recommended retail price is £15, and it's a crystal nail file. I'm so glad I've got this because I've actually used crystal nail file on my nails this morning. And I've had it for years, and I was thinking to myself I could do with a new one. Okay, so what they've written is up your at-home mani game with this crystal nail file. Much gentler than regular nail files, this firm but smooth file is the key to perfect DIY manis. Basically, the super finely sanded grit will create a smooth, clean, sealed edge rather than a torn, jagged edge, meaning your nails will be in tip-top shape and your mani won't chip as easily. Winner. To file your nails like a pro, start from the outside corner and file towards the middle. So this is a recommended retail price of £15 for this one, and I do love myself a crystal nail file. Okay, so it's all protected in bubble wrap. It's nice. It's a nice big one. One that I've got is like just sort of like handbag size. So it comes in this nice sort of like moleskinny touch little pouch, and it says Birchbox on the handle there. And it's a really nice big file. This would be perfect for your toes as well. Yeah, I'm going to use it later. Really happy with that. So far that's my absolute favourite. As I say, I really needed a new one. The next item by This Works, in transit camera close-up. Recommended retail price for full size one is £32. This isn't a full size. We love a product that can perform a multitude of magic tricks, and this one does even more than we could hope for. It's a mask, moisturiser and a primer in one, so you're photo ready at all times. Smooth it over your skin to instantly reduce redness, brighten your complexion and diminish the appearance of fine lines. Are you ready for your close-ups? And it's 100% cruelty free. There's 15 mils in here. Right. Oh, that smells nice and fresh. Could tell you what's in it once again. Oh, it smells nice though. So that's the consistency. I'm going to put a little bit on. I don't have any foundation on, so all I have on is a bit of blush and Charlotte Tilbury blusher. That's all I've got on, like bronzer. So I'll put it, lipstick on my teeth, guys. Put some up here on the forehead. Feels nice. Ooh, ooh. Look at that. Can you see a difference? I think I can. It's certainly Obviously not in my frown lines or anything like that, but it feels lovely. Oh, do you know what, I like this? I feel that there on my forehead, it has kind of just given it almost like a filter look. That's good. Let's try it over the old nose, because I've got a mark here where my glasses keep falling down. Do you know what? This is great. Oh. Oh, look at that. That is lovely. Oh, £32 though for a full size. That I'm loving. Okay, the last item is a full size item, and the recommended retail price is £4.49, and it's a good old favourite. It really is. I mean, I can remember my nan, my mum using this, and of course it's Palmer's, not this particular product but the range Palmer's. So it's Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Repairing Conditioner. Give dry or damaged strands a hydration wake up and incredible shine with this repairing conditioner. The formula deeply hydrates hair with a fusion of ethical and sustainable coconut oil. The formula deeply hydrates hair with a fusion of ethical and sustainable coconut oil with Tahitian monoi, plus it smells amazing. The creamy rich formula instantly detangles and coats strands for silkier, shinier, easier, manageable hair. Did you know that Palmer's is the #1 cocoa butter in the world? So £4.49 for this size. I love a bit of Palmer's. I've used the shampoo and conditioner. I've used a lot of the body creams as well. I haven't used this repairing conditioner for my hair, but it does always smell amazing, and I know if it does smell of the little monoi flower because we've been to Tahiti and I've smelt them on the sort of growing there, so they smell amazing. Okay, let's go to this hand. I know it's for the hair, I'm going to pop some on. It is beautiful. It's overpowered a little bit by coconut, but when you've got used to the smell of the coconut, and that's obviously like the top note, isn't it? So when you've got used to that, you can then pick out the flower. Oh, that smells lovely. Wow, I can't wait to use this. So, 5 products. All really lovely. I'm very happy with every single one of them actually. So they're the 5 products that I've received. If you've enjoyed this video for the Birchbox for the month of May, then please give me a nice big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love you to. Just go ahead and press that little red subscribe one. Just there. That's it. Just there. And press the notification bell as well, and then you'll be advised when I've done all my new uploads. So until then, my lovelies, I'll talk to you all in the next one. Take care everyone, won't you? Bye. Bye.